How to use Medium, right on Medium. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we'll be doing a quick look at how you can get started with the Medium.com platform. So let's get into it. Now, a lot of people wonder what exactly is Medium. Well, Medium is a open platform that allows people to write on any topic they want. It really is not limited to one topic or one scenario, and it really is not even limited to experts only. You don't need to be a professional writer to be able to write on Medium. This is just a platform for curious minds to be able to write and share the knowledge and information they have. So you guys can see Medium, it's kind of like visiting a news website where there is news about everything. They have a trending section, they have a, featured section, they have trends that you can discover, and it is really a amazing platform for a lot of different reasons. First off, it's super creative. It allows you to create any kind of content you want. Secondly, you're going to be able to not only write on anything, but you can also choose to promote what you're writing. So if you're promoting something like a email marketing software, you can write about email marketing softwares and then you would be able to promote them at the same time. So this can be a amazing way for affiliates as well. I'm not talking about, trying to promote a database server or, trying to promote something like, a data collecting item. Those usually don't work well on Medium. But if you have like something that is actually worthwhile, like a actual physical product that has a lot of established value, then promoting that on Medium can be a great option for you. Now, to get started on Medium, a lot of people wonder, do I have the skill set? Well, ChatGPT has really made it super easy for us. If you want to get a basic draft of your article or essay, whatever you're writing, you can get it with ChatGPT. Now, I don't recommend this. I don't think you should be using ChatGPT to write on Medium, but I don't think there's any harm in using it either in terms of just generally trying to get a basic outline or trying to figure out how to categorize all your information. Now, to get started with Medium, the first thing you want to do is go on to medium.com. Over here, you just want to click on Get Started on the top right. Then you have four basic options, so you can connect with Google, Facebook, your email address, or if you already have an account, you can sign in. I'm going to create my account using Google, so it's just easier, but you can choose to just sign up with your email address. It's pretty much the same thing. Now, you guys can see just like that, I have created my account on Medium. And now that my account has been created, I can click on the top right. It says Write, and you can create your own story on Medium. This is absolutely free. You don't have to subscribe or anything. You don't have to buy anything on Medium. It's a free platform. And if whatever you wrote is nice, then you will be able to see your article trending. Now, you guys can see you can get some inspiration from some of the pre existing trending articles on Medium. So, let's say you're using ChatGPT wrong. Here's how to be ahead of 99% of ChatGPT users. Now, you guys can see there are a lot of different video links in this. This person has even probably linked to their own video within this article. Use short standard prompts, so translates English into Spanish. Example, prompt like so. Extract the airport code from this text, get the job done, so on and so forth. Now, you also have role prompting. They're adding a lot of different information in this article, and they also have a lot of different images. Now, I do recommend adding a lot of images in your articles simply because it can really be useful in making your articles stand out and make sure they're not excessively long as well. So you guys can see once you have a idea of what kind of articles are trending on the Medium platform, you can replicate those kinds of articles. However, I do recommend that you focus on what you know best. So what I mean by that, if you go into your profile over here, you're gonna have a basic profile. Now, with your basic profile, if you have like random articles on random subjects, that is not gonna work well. So you want to add a nice profile image, and in your about section, you want to tell the world about yourself. What kind of degree do you have? What is your area of expertise? What kind of content are you writing? What are you doing? So on and so forth. This provides a more personalized feel to your articles, even if you're not writing them yourself. Then you have lists, so you can create your own reading list, and then in the home section, you're going to find all of the items you've written. Now, what you want to do is you want to go into right on the top right. Let's say I want to write a article on, so let's say I write a article on top hidden features of the iPhone 14 Pro. From here, you guys can see with each sentence that you type. So if I type anything over here, you get a plus icon on the left side of your cursor. If you click on that, you will be able to see image embeds, YouTube embeds, short codes that you can add. You can even add some spacers as well. Now, below that, if you want to change the formatting and you get like a basic overview of everything, but I'm just going to close that. And I'm going to select my title. You guys can see I have my title settings over here. We have the quotations as well. If there is coded text, then you can add that as well. So let's say I ask ChatGPT to write it for me. So you guys can see it's going to start writing the article for you. Now, one thing I recommend if you're going to be using AI generated content in Medium, you should definitely rephrase this. Use a rephrasing app or rephrase it yourself. But another great way to do this is instead of write an article about the top two hidden features of the iPhone 11 14 Pro, we're going to paste it. And what I like to add in my prompt is, so what I like to do is I like to provide a prompt like write an article and then make sure that it is not in a language that is typical to AI. So make sure it's not, typical to AI. And then to also make it conversational instead of making it more written or essay type. This just allows you to make your article more relatable and more easy to digest on Medium. So once it has been written, you can just copy and paste like so, and then we can just paste this onto Medium. Once you have pasted it, one thing I do recommend is you change the appearance. So we have this Medium heading, and I would add it as a Medium heading. And you can obviously format it however you want, but make sure you are adding, headings and lists and quotations just to make it look a lot more appealing. I would also recommend to have at least two images in a article on Medium if they are applicable. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel and comment down below the best tips and tricks that I have taught you within this video. And make sure to also share this video with your friends and family and to other creators as well so you can help them out as well, and to anyone that might need to know this basic detailed platform and how you navigate through these different social websites. So I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure that you do leave a comment down below if I missed out on anything and if there is anything you would like to add, and I will catch you guys in the next video.